Good morning, mighty rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Thursday, October 10th, 2019. Please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices you will make today. You may be seated. We have a couple birthdays today. Leah Renteria in kinder, happy birthday. Sammy Garcia in second, happy birthday. And Mark Chavez in 5th grade, have a happy birthday. Make sure you pop by my office to get your special birthday gift. For our value and culture focus, today I want you to really think about rattlers and how they're respectful. Rattlers are respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. And idea 30, again, after dining in the cafeteria or anywhere else, you are making sure you are always responsible for your trash. Some announcements. Again, we still have a lot of scholars that do not have IDs. You're going to get sent to the back of the lunch line if you don't have your ID. And some of you have it. You just forgot it in the car or at home. That cannot be something you do. Put it in your backpack when you right when you're leaving. Don't leave it in your car. You need to have it as part of your uniform. It's just as important as your polo. Okay, now make sure you look and check your uniform and you have the correct shoes, pants, or shorts or skirt, belt. Your blue polo is tucked in and you're wearing the correct jacket. Remember, today's Thursday, and that means you go to your 4th block for your academic block. Again, the last round of you will go and be able to experience our social emotional lesson for the week, which is mindfulness and breathing techniques. Make sure that today and even Friday, if you're taking any exams, which I know quite a few of you have important tests today, so good luck. But take a deep breath before you take your exam, or if you're feeling overwhelmed, and just to remember that the more calm you are, the more you will remember and the more you'll be able to think clearly. Speaking of testing, there are quite a few tests going on today. So 3rd grade, good luck on your end of module. 4th grade, good luck on your end of module. 1st grade, you have a math end of module, good luck. 2nd grade, you have your test. And 5th grade, you have your science unit exam. Good luck, you all. You guys got this. And yesterday, we did not have that many people out, so we hit our goal. We not only hit it, but we actually exceeded it. We had 97.78%, and when our goal is 97.5. Really, really great work. Speaking of attendance, remember that you must be here every day in order to qualify for the raffle. Make sure your parents are bringing you every single day, and just remember the raffle is tomorrow. All right, in vocabulary word of the day. The word of the day is escalate, to increase rapidly, to cause to become more intense or serious. So if the firefighters persevere with their 8-day strike this week, then matters could escalate rapidly, right? If they didn't put out a fire, a forest fire, then things can escalate rapidly. If you do not take care of yourself when you're sick, a small cold can escalate to something more serious, like pneumonia. So again, I want to hear you guys like using words and also finding them in your text. And if you do use them correctly and find them in text, let us know so we can give you a dojo point. All right, please say the Runberg Academy chant with me this Thursday. Ready? Rattlers are respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today I will own my own learning. And rattlers are relentless. Today I will not give up. Make it a thundering thinking Thursday, and remember that choice is yours. We are almost to our 3-day weekend, you guys, so make sure you're doing your very best. And if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you. We always will. Teachers, you're doing an amazing job using the ADA GroupMe message, and we've been able to hit ADA the 2 days that we've been using it in a row. So I think we're about to really raise up our ADA because of that group. So that's because of you. So I really appreciate it. Have an amazing Thursday, and teachers, please get to using the ADA GroupMe.